If you've got naturally straight hair like me, it can be difficult to create straight styles without it looking flat. So I'm going to get some top tips from hair expert SJ to help me achieve an impactful straight style with the DYSON Airwrap ID.
Hey Julie.
Hi SJ.
I'm SJ, nice to meet you.
Hiya.
Okay, so you ready for some styling tips?
I certainly am. Yes, please.
So I think looking at your hair, it's kind of quite straight naturally.
Yeah.
You struggle getting volume, I can tell.
do, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what we're going to do is we're going to use the Airwrap ID to create the volume, but also get it super sleek, so you've got the perfect finessed hairstyle.
Yeah.
It feels like you, but you've just got that body and bounce.
Brilliant.
So you can also use the My DYSON app to personalize your Airwrap experience. What we'll do is we'll set up your hair profile, so you choose the natural texture of your hair. So with yours, we choose straight. And then it's the length of your hair, so we say medium. And what's a single strand of your hair? So when you feel a single piece of your hair, how does it feel? Yours is medium. How does your hair retain styles? So you told me that it doesn't retain the style very well, so we put a little. What's your styling goals, Julie? We've put voluminous, curls and waves, control frizz, manage flyaways, to enhance the natural hair shape, and a quick daily style. Does that sound right?
Yes.
So we save your profile, and then the app is going to work alongside the Airwrap ID to create the perfect styling experience for you and your hair type. First, we're going to get your hair shampooed.
Thank you.
Freshly washed hair, gorgeous.
So what's the best thing to do before styling?
Okay, so there's a couple of things. The first thing you've already done, which is amazing, which is towel dry your hair.
Yeah.
The reason that I would recommend to towel dry your hair before using the tool is because it's going to make the styling a lot easier. It's going to make you be able to control the tool and have much more fluid movements, and it's going to make the style at the end a lot smoother and polished. The second thing I would recommend is to section the hair.
Okay.
And the reason we're going to do this is to allow the air to go into the roots to create root lift and a smooth end, but also to make it more controllable, and a bit more of a process.
So just leaving that underneath bit there like that.
Perfect,
Yeah.
yes. By using the firm smoothing brush attachment, we can create the volume at the root by placing it underneath the hair section. This is going to let the air go into the roots, so that creates the body that we want. And then you can use it as you would use an ordinary brush, just to go and smooth and get those nice straight smooth ends on the ends. Yeah. So what you want to do is when you're in the root, let it sit for a second before you then move it. So there's a little bit of a intention when you put it in the root.
Okay.
That's it,
That's there.
Amazing, Julie. Now you've got this super smooth, gorgeous hair, but we're going to take things another step further and really get the ultimate smoothing with another attachment, which is the flyaway attachment.
And what does that do?
So you can see here where there's just a few little hairs where we've added the air into the roots to get the root lift.
Yeah.
And now this is just going to give that super sleek finish and get those laying flat.
Okay.
Okay, so you can change it depending on which way you want the air to flow. So we want ours to come out of here.
Yeah.
And then what you do is you're going to pop it on the root like this and just guide it this way. The air will blow downwards to control us flyaways.
So you always have the air blowing on.
Blowing away, yeah. Exactly that. So you're going to switch that to do the other side. And when you go in, what you did with your hand to secure the hair is perfect, so it doesn't blow.
Okay.
And just be mindful where the air is blowing from. Okay,
Yeah,
so it's going to go that way, and then you want to just be
and you hold it
mindful
flat
of that.
to your head?
Yep, flat to the head.
Okay.
Perfect.
Right, let's have a go with that. That is amazing.
Amazing. So it really smooths out those little hairs. Next attachment, we're going to be able to get a little bit more volume in the crown here, and I'm going to show you how you can tuck your ends so that they become more shaped and voluminous.
Bouncy, yes.
Bouncy,
Yeah,
absolutely. So we're going to use the large brush attachment next. And to get the root lift in the crown, you'll take a section here, and then just like you were doing with your ordinary brush and blow drying, you're going to just roll it into the roots like this.
Okay.
And then what you're going to do is to tuck those ends, as if you were just rolling the brush down to the end of your hair.
So you just start from the
and
middle.
just leaving it in here, yeah. So what we're doing is just adding the heat so it creates that bend and that bevel in the hair.
Brilliant.
So you're going to pop it on a low speed setting,
Okay.
but leave it on the medium,
medium heat,
and it's ready
yeah.
to go. Wow, amazing. That looks so
great.
gorgeous.
Yeah, I love it.
And as you remember putting your details in the app,
Yeah.
that's made your hair profile. And what that means is it's added the cool shot function into the drying cycle for you automatically. So as it finishes, it's added that injection of cool air, which is going to make it so much shinier, but also make your style last all day.
I love it. It's great. Thank you.
You're welcome.